Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I'm going to do an art journal page. I got these art foamies that are Gina B. Aaron's designs, and I have some sticker flakes that came from her Etsy store, and I think they're just so cute. I wanted to create something and maybe use a couple of these in the page. So I'm going to take these jelly prints that I did. I created them when I was testing out my art foamies when I first got them, and I will link that below if it's edited, so that you can see it if you're interested in how I made these pages. If it's not uploaded yet, stay tuned. I'm not sure which one's gonna get uploaded first. This one I'm editing first, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, I'm just taking away some of the white around the edges of these and just using my ruler to tear, because it's just easy and convenient to just tear the edges off. Sometimes it works better than others. But rather than get out my paper trimmer, I thought that would be an easy way to do it. So I'm going to put those two there, and then I want to fill the other spots. So I'm taking this other jelly print and we'll put that like that. Alright, so I am just going to use a glue stick to glue those all down. So I have a few gaps, so I figured I would use some of this gold that I tried to monoprint on, and it's on deli paper. So it's a little bit more slippery when you tear it with the ruler, so it's not as perfect as, well, not that they're perfect, but it's not as straight. It has a lot more problems than the pieces of paper that I did, copy paper. So I've got some uneven, bumpy sort of edges, but that just makes it all the more interesting, right? Alright, so now I'm going to I want to put some sort of image in each of the squares, and I'm thinking I might use one of her 4 square stencils. That's this one that has 4 different patterns. My nephew there was giving me his opinion of which one I should put in there. And then I also have this one. It's a new one to me of her stencils, and I wanted to use it because it's brand new to me. I think she's had it in her Etsy store for a while, but I just barely picked it up. I decided I would repeat the sort of plant pattern in both of those squares. I don't know, it just made sense to me. Alright, and I decided I would put those girls right in the middle of the whole page. And I think I'm gonna stencil them a dark color so they cover up, so they're like black. So that tape took a little bit of the gold off of that deli paper, so I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. I think there's enough pattern that it won't be too noticeable. I do smush it a little bit so it looks more like the jelly print. And then I decided I wanted to define the lines around these girls a little bit better. My stenciling job wasn't that great, so I'm using a gold metallic marker just to outline, and then I get a little more carried away with the lines. So to me, I decide those need outlines because they're really blending into the background. Even though that's like a neon yellow, it's really hard to tell what you're looking at. So I go around it with just a black marker. Now time to decide which sticker I'm going to put where, because I'm determined to use them. Yeah, the leaf on the leaf ones. Alright. So I'm going to use those two stickers, and then they have white borders around them. So that makes me feel like my other images need to have a little bit of white around them. So I'm putting a few white lines on the girls, and I'll put a little bit of white around those yellow bouquets. And since I'm putting ink on everything, I might as well put an ink border around the whole thing, right? So I think this art journal page needs a few words. So I dig through them till I find some that will kind of fit on the girls and kind of make a sentence. So I came up with "Be Joy Now." Those words are also a digital download you can get on Gina's store. So I hope you liked that page. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and thank you all for watching.